This week I will show you how to massage without hurting your hands, especially your thumbs. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Some time ago I shared that I accidentally hurt my right thumb. I still had to massage and I have avoided using my thumb, so it's much better now, but it's not 100% yet. This week I will show you how to massage without hurting your thumb using an alternative body part. So my go-to alternative to my thumb is my index finger joint. The tip of the joint is very pointy and it's very useful in pressing acupressure points, doing short strokes, and even long strokes by gliding with the lubricant. If the target area is a little bit wider, add the middle finger joint. And if the target area is even wider, add the ring finger joint and do the presses, short strokes, and long strokes by using all these joints with lubricant. All the while, the thumb is not engaged at all. When using the joint, do not move from the knuckle like this or wrist. Keep the knuckle and the wrist joints straight and move the entire arm to move the finger joints. Depending on the position, you may want to use the entire torso to move the entire arm. You don't have to make the finger joints really tight because squeezing your finger muscles itself is very tiring for your fingers and your forearm. So when you bend the finger joint, keep them loose. So whenever you feel like using your thumb to massage, consider using the finger joint or these finger joints if you want to save your thumb. Of course, if this causes any pain, don't do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.